TripPA, TripPA, TripPA.
In this guide, we'll show you how to create and manage your educational visits using the web app. Getting started is quick and easy. Once your school is set up with TripPA, head to the app and choose Create Account. Select Teacher when asked for your role, then enter your work email address. Agree to the terms and conditions and click Create Account. Finally, complete the setup by opening the magic link we sent to your email. The My Trips page is your hub for all the trips you're leading or joining. Browse your upcoming visits, check key details, and click on any trip to open its trip dashboard. You can also scroll through current moments from your school. These are social media style posts shared by staff during trips to keep colleagues and parents up to date. Creating a new trip is quick and straightforward. To get started, simply click the Create New Trip button. Start by choosing the trip duration, then give your trip a clear name before clicking Next. Enter the main trip location, and if you have any notes for your EVC, click Add Notes before moving on. Next, select the proposed activity types. You can add more than one if you wish, and then choose your proposed travel type like coach or train. You can save the trip as a draft at any point. Reopening one from your My Trips page will restore all your previously entered information. Continue filling in the panels. Specify the educational purpose, then select your proposed date or range of dates if it's a multi-day trip. Enter the time that your trip will start and when it will end. Add the number of students and the year groups you are taking before entering the estimated cost per student. Finally, you can upload a cover picture to represent your trip. To finish, click Submit. Your proposed trip will now appear on the My Trips page. At this point, your EVC will receive an email and gain access to the proposed trip. Clicking on the trip in the My Trips page will allow both EVC and trip lead to view the key details. Information can be updated by using the edit buttons on the right-hand side. The EVC can make comments here as necessary. Anything added at this stage will trigger an email notification to the trip lead. Once the EVC is satisfied with the trip details, approval can be granted by clicking the checkbox at the top. The trip lead can also activate the trip for parents closest to departure time. The trip dashboard is your trip's homepage. It brings together all the key details from your approved plan, including itinerary events and the calendar view. Click on an itinerary card to see event details. Here you can see that this trip is marked as active for parents. You can switch between dates using the calendar on the right. All the main trip information can be updated right here. Just click the pencil icons to make quick edits. For example, if you wish to make a change to the trip cost, just click the relevant pencil icon, change the value and click Update. And don't forget the sidebar menu. It's your gateway to everything else, including documents, staff, student and group management, and trip moments. The itinerary helps you, your staff, and parents stay on top of your trip schedule. From the sidebar, open the itinerary to see all of your planned activities. You can click on any event card to view, edit, or delete it if needed. Switching dates in the calendar lets you see each day's schedule. To add a new event, tap the plus icon, give it a name, a location, set the start time, and the finish time. You can also add extra details at the bottom. Anything you include here will be visible to both staff and parents once the trip is active. When you're ready, click Create, and your new itinerary event appears instantly in the schedule. The Moments feature lets you share photos, videos, and updates from your trips in real time. You can view existing posts, open media in full screen, react to updates with a like, or edit and delete posts by using the menu option. Tap the plus icon to create a new moment. Add a title, add a location, and then upload your chosen photos or videos. Include a short description or update in the Details field, and then click Publish when you're ready. your post will instantly appear in the feed, visible to both staff and parents. The Student Manager allows you to view key information about your trip participants. Scroll through your student list to see who is attending. Click the info icon to view key details, or tap the heart icon to check medical information when needed. Hit the edit button to manage your student list. You can remove students with a quick checkbox selection, or you can import new ones. Once added, they'll appear instantly in your list, and if your trip is active for parents, their family will gain access to the trip too. The Staff Manager makes it easy to organise your trip team. From the staff list, click the info button to see more information about each participant. You can give other staff members full access to the trip by making them a trip lead and indicate your first aiders using the checkboxes. You can also import new staff members quickly. Or you can remove anyone who's no longer part of the trip team, ensuring your list always stays up to date. The Group Manager helps you organise students and staff groups for activities, transport and more. You can create your own custom group categories, but in this example we're demonstrating how it might work for roomings. Within each group you can view student info cards and use the menu options to make quick edits. To create a new group, tap the plus icon, give it a name, add students, and if required, add a staff member for supervision. Once saved, your new group appears instantly on the main screen. You can adjust groups at any time, for example, removing or reassigning staff or students with just a few clicks. The Document Manager keeps all your important trip files in one place. Share packing lists, tickets, insurance documents, and more. On the sidebar, click Documents. Each document can be edited or deleted easily. And click the plus icon to add new files or create a whole folder. Let's create a new folder. Name it. Assign it to an area to control who can see it. Click Add Documents to upload files from the computer. And once added, your new documents will appear instantly in the main screen. Still got questions? No problem. Whether you're stuck or just curious about something, drop us a message or head to our website to find out more.
TripPA, TripPA, TripPA.